These commercials will have you thinking, and the product names, all that, will thinking that you should be able to squeeze this hard enough to get a drop of oil out. That's bullshit.
It's just hair. I mean, I'm not really, I'm not really too good at the styling, and it's thinned a lot. It's starting to tangle a lot, so I'm like, I need to get it cut.
Where are those tangles starting?
Like when I'm going through it, it's kind of towards the bottom.
Like here down?
Yeah, about there down, yeah.
I got to find out where your head's at, so we're going to go through kind of a whole series of questions that really lets me know kind of how you're seeing it, what you're wishing for, and where it's kind of like, I can like maybe straighten some things out, deconstruct some misconceptions. Hair, the most perfectly healthy hair in the world is dry. Period. These commercials will have you thinking, and the product names, all that, will thinking that you should be able to squeeze this hard enough to get a drop of oil out. That's bullshit. So hair is dry. Now, when it starts to become too dry is a problem. And how do you measure that? Feeling it, yeah, maybe, especially if there's color involved. But this is your natural color.
Yeah.
Crazy. Amazing. So if you're dealing with breakage, which if you're starting to feel knots here, okay, that might be a sign of like, all right, it's getting too dry to where it gets brittle and now it's breaking. Yeah. So that tells me, and we'll find out if there's anything that you're doing that's speeding up that process, which we might be able to slow down. But if this is about the life of your hair right here. If that's where it's starting, and I'm not sure, I haven't gotten in there, but you're saying around here. Yeah. If that's where the knots are starting, that tells me that's where the breakage is pretty much starting. Which I think is kind of normal. That's a pretty... This is some old hair. I mean, it takes years for it to get down here.
And I'm naturally frizzy. Like, I've just always been like...
I mean, you have flyaways.
I think it's frizz. Because, I mean, I didn't even realize I had curly hair until... I don't know.
I suppose it's all relative. But you're talking to me, who has seen everything sit right here. You are not frizzy.
Okay, no. That's true. Yeah, relative to your own experience or exposure, right?
But that matters that you're feeling that way. So that tells me you're hoping for more control. Yeah. Okay, so that's just going to be in how you style it. It has nothing. I can cut your hair a lot of different ways, and it's not going to help or make any worse any extra flyaways that are there. But we'll show you that. That's not difficult. Okay, so that's getting some water in it. Giving your hair a drink will be good. Are you applying any straight up oils? Are you trying to put any oil in your hair ever?
I don't put oil in my hair.
Perfect. Blow it straight, flat iron, curling iron, any
No, I don't want to be a triangle, which you already know. That's a given.
Right. At this point, it's more about what you like, and I want to deliver that as best I can. Okay. When I kind of like go, okay, cool, I want this more up here. Watch how much hair moves down here. That's long layers. So that is attributing to the density way down here. Okay. So the second I want this to come up, you see how much is going to kind of come out of there. Okay, yeah. And then I got to connect that down to however long. Okay. If you were like, oh, you can get me kind of popping pretty good up here if I let more go, or if I'm okay with being less dense down here, does that make you a little bit less apprehensive about losing length? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. I just, like I said, definitely not here. I'll probably cry. But if we could just keep it, because honestly, I don't see the back that much. But okay, well, in the front, regardless of what it is in the back, so many people want the length. Yeah. So it's always kind of like don't cut it. But if you're looking for more, I got to borrow it from somewhere. So that means if I'm having to hike this up.
Yeah, it's kind of like, I like the length, but then it's like, what is the length doing? Like, it's not.
If you're just putting it up all the time, I'm sure you got a great pony.
I put it up, or like I said, I can't see it from the back. So if it looks really pretty in the back, but I don't like the way the front looks, it doesn't.
Is there anything that you've seen that you really do not like that I should stay away from?
Well, I don't want to be a triangle, which you already know. That's a given.
Right. I'm not going to take you over your shoulders. There's no way that's happening. But I mean, you might land in here.
Yeah.
You be okay with that?
Yeah, I'll be okay with that.
All right.
Yeah, that's good.
You heard. She said she doesn't mind.